promised. You promised to love just me forever. You promised, Leo.
I'm coming. Oh.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine. You're here.
Yes, I'm here. Actually, I was driving past your house, so I decided to stop and say hi to this gorgeous damsel.
You sure have your way with words. Your words alone can wake up a dead soul.
Are you trying to flatter me or something?
No, I'm not flattering. I'm saying the truth.
Okay. Happy birthday to you, baby.
Did you know I forgot it's my birthday? You remembered?
Yes.
That's so thoughtful. Wait, what did you get for me?
Why don't you check it out?
Wait, an iPhone?
Yes, baby.
Oh my god!
You like it?
I love it!
I'm glad you do.
Oh my god, this is so... Thank you. Thank you so much. You are such a sweet soul.
And you are sweet too. Princess, I want you to know that I really do love you so much. From the depth of my heart. And I'll do anything to make you happy.
I love you even more.
And when you said that, I believed you. I believed you wholeheartedly. Leo, why are you breaking my heart? Why are you doing what you're doing? I wish I knew who you were cheating on me with. I would have told her to leave my husband for me. They should leave you for me. If a soothsayer had told me that you would change, I wouldn't have believed. I wouldn't. It is not usually as it seemed from the very beginning. But you have completely changed. Why did you change so sudden? Your actions has broken me into 1,000 pieces. What is my crime? Why did I go wrong? What? What did I do? My only crime was loving you from the deepest part of my heart. Was taking my loving husband away from me. Was taking you away from me. Was taking you away from me. Oh, Leo. It took my strength away. God.
You know, lately I found out that I actually do love you so much. I mean, you're everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman. I mean, the sweet thing in between your tiles is something that I can't just have enough of. You're too sweet.
What are you saying, Leo? Are you saying I'm sweeter than Quincy?
Now you get the point. What I'm saying is, yes. I mean, the thing in between your legs, the saccharine, it tastes really like honey.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. So was that the reason you came back?
Yes, because I couldn't have enough of you, and besides, I would like to have you from now to morning non-stop. Just you.
This is unbelievable. Leo is cheating on me with a sugar mommy. How? I mean, how is this even possible? Was that Chief Anthony's wife voice that I heard? No. No, it can't be. She's a lady of the night. Lady Deborah would not stoop so low to such a demeaning act with her husband's PA. She won't do that. Maybe it's another woman. Maybe it's another woman. But why? Why? Why would Leo do this to me? Why would he choose a sugar mommy over me? What is with men and cheating? What? What do men really want? What do they really want? What do they really want? What do they really want? What do men really want? What do they want? What do they really want? Leo.
You mean he hasn't been home yet?
I have not seen him.
This is crazy. This is a show of irresponsibility on his side.
I have decided to go back to the family house. But I want Leo to look me in the face and tell me what I need to know. I need to know who he's been cheating on me with. I deserve to know.
Quincy, in as much as I don't like this whole thing, but going back to our family house would be a very bad idea to trigger a whole lot of things.
Like?
Up.
Look sis, I don't care. Leo has lots of explanation to give to me. He does.
Leave my way.
Not until you tell me where you've been. Leo, I'm talking to you.
Quincy, what gave you the right to lock me outside my house?
I have the right to even do worse things to you, like empty a pot of hot oil all over you.
Really? Has it gotten to that? Is that your plan? You want to kill me now?
Where exactly are you coming from? Who did you sleep with?
I went to work and I didn't sleep with anybody.
Liar. Cheap white lies. Swear that you were not with another woman.
Baby, do you have any evidence to your claim?
Yes. I have evidence. I do.
What are you saying, Leo? Are you saying I'm
sweeter than Quincy.
What's the point? What I'm saying.
Leo!
Yes.
No. I don't want to believe it. You've been cheating! My goodness.
Where did you get that from?
This is what you do every other day with strange women! Leo, I actually called you. I called you to apologize to you for locking you out. You picked. And you thought you already ended the call when I had another woman call you baby. Leo, how shameless can you be? How shameless can you be? You know what? I've had it up to here. You say this sham called marriage? I am done! It's over! I've called Oliver. He's on his way here to pick me up. I am done with this marriage.
Leo, shameless can you get? So you left your beautiful wife just to be with a sugar mommy, a woman old enough to be your mother. You disgust me.
The way you look at me shows me that you're no longer here. You keep lying to my face. I don't know how to bring you back to me. You are slipping away from me. You are slipping away from me.
How are you?
You are
Breakfast.
walking
How have you been?
away from me.
Fine.
Wow, good to see you. Give me one. Come, let me.
You are sleeping away from me. You were slipping away from me. You were walking away from me.
So, Princess, this is what you're up to, right? Huh?
Can you stop it? Stop it now!
Will you shut up! Quincy, my wife, you want to leave our marriage of 2 years to be in the hands of another man. Does it even make any sense? I mean, this is not right.
Oh, really? Is that what you're saying? Leo, is that what you're saying? After everything you've done to me? After everything you have put me through? This is what you're saying! Have you forgotten you cheated on me? You chose a sugar mommy over me. So what right do you have to say that? This marriage has ended. What else do you want? Just leave me alone. It's over!
You don't know where baby.
Get your
Don't
hands
just
off
let the
me.
lady be. Are you stupid or something? What gave you the God authority to walk into my compound? I want to take my wife away from me. Are you stupid?
Can you stop it?
Who are you?
What is wrong with you? How dare you lay your hands on him?
Oh, it's okay.
How dare you?
It's okay. Now, Leo, or whatever you're called, as you can see, I am not a violent man. So I'm clearly not going to get in the mud with you. You see, this first assault was free. But I tell you, if you launch at me again, I will deal so ruthlessly with you that you will regret the day you were. Are we clear? Are we clear?
Is it me you're talking to?
Of course I am talking to you.
Constant. You're the cause of my predicament. See what you have put me into. You put me into this mess that I am now. I'm mixed up as a man. I just lost my beautiful wife. That before. That stupid boy. Now my whole life is just mixed up. I'm so empty. I have nothing real anymore. I'm left with nothing. No baby. No marriage. I've practically spoiled everything for myself. When you say please, anywhere you are, please come back to me. I'll kill myself. I can't imagine myself without you, Quincy. Quincy, I will die. Without you, I have nothing. Please come back to me. Please come back to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm empty without you, Quincy. Please. I will change. No. I'm left with nothing. My entire life is shattered. I just ended my own marriage with my own hands. No child. No marriage. Just useless.
We're here.
My goodness. Oh my God. Oliver! God! You have done so well for yourself. This is massive. Oh. Hey! Odogu! You are the man.
Sit down, please. Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down.
Thank you. This is beautiful.
Perpetua, tell me, when did you become a hype woman?
You're asking. Who would see all this and wouldn't turn to a hype woman overnight? Oliver, you have done so well for yourself and I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So tell me, what should I offer you?
Offer, please. I need you to tell me. How come you were able to acquire all this in just your 6 years of being away in the United States of America?
Well, what more can I say? It's grace.
Huh? I love the sound of that. Grace! God in a man's race. Ooh.
Yeah. Quincy? Quincy?
Yeah.
Why are you startled? I get it. You think I might be mad at you for leaving me to marry someone else? No, I'm not really that mad. But why did you do it? Why?
It's me. Yes, blame me. It wasn't her fault. I made her do it and I'm sorry about it.
Perpetua, you. Why? Perpetua, you are my own person. I mean, God.
Oliver, I know and I am not proud of it. You told us 5 years. When we waited for 6 years, we didn't see you nor heard from you. Even when I got married, suitors were coming for her, but she rejected all that. She was practically waiting for you.
She was waiting for me. Quincy, you allowed that beast sweet-tongue you and made you trash all that we shared?
Oliver, please. Don't blame her. Please, I can't make her accept it. When we didn't hear from you and I told her to accept Leo when he came into the picture.
can't believe that I lost my wife to that American returnee. I'm a very big fool. Quincy is a lovely wife. An angel here on earth. Yet I played her. Disappointed her. Let me just drink and die, because that's what fools do. I'm a fool! Yeah, you're a fool! Oh, Quincy, I'm sorry. Please come back to me.
This is unbelievable. Perpetual, do you even have the slightest idea of what I went through in the States when I heard Quincy was getting married to someone else? I died 1,000,000 times over.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. She says she's sorry. Perpetual, I traveled to the States because of Quincy. To give her a better life, to give her as in the best life possible. Didn't she even tell you that?
She told me everything. Just that her parents was on her neck to get married and give them grandchildren.
Oh, they were on your neck to get married and give them grandchildren. Now tell me, where are the grandchildren? Where are they? Was that enough justification for pushing your kid sister into the arms of a beast? That guy I saw? A guy who doesn't even value our beauty, who doesn't value our worth? This is unbelievable. A guy who was busy frolicking with a sugar mommy at the detriment of his marriage? A woman old enough to be his mother? That is the man you pushed your kid sister to.
Oliver, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know that Quincy deserved better. Yes, I know she deserved better. I'm sorry, my friend. My own Oliver too is my old friend. How could I have forgotten the bond we shared as friends?
You threw all that away. Even after telling you when I was leaving this country that I would come back for your sister, that I would never hurt your sister, you still did this to me.
Oliver, I know all that. I know you met my sister through me. I know how you told me how well you meant for my sister and how you deserved her. It took me like the whole world for me to talk to her and make her accept to be with you. And when she decided to date you, the rest was history. I am sorry. I'm so sorry about it.
It's fine. It's fine. Do I even have a choice? I forgive. I forgive you and I forgive Quincy from the innermost part of my heart. Quincy, can we start all over again?
Oliver, I don't deserve you. I've messed up.
Quincy. Life will be empty without you. Please, say yes to my proposal. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes.
I love you.
This is so beautiful.
Trust me, I will give you the best life I've got to offer. Come here.
His number is not connecting. Why? For 3 days now, I haven't seen or heard anything from Leo. From what I gathered so far, he has not been to work either. I don't know why his line is not connecting. The thought of him has beclouded my sense of reasoning. I can no longer think straight. All I want and desire is just to be in his arms. Should I fall back to my toy? No, Leo does it better. I miss him so much.
How can I look her in the face and tell her this? No. Now that I have her back in my life, how do I come to terms with the fact that I will soon leave her again?
Leave me to where?
Babe, you are awake.
Where are you going, leaving me behind? What is that? What? You have a kidney problem. How?
Unfortunately, yes. I developed the kidney problem when I was in the United States. And I did everything possible to get a donor, or to no avail.
How is this even possible? Babe, this cannot be your result. Don't accept it.
Unfortunately, it is my result. Don't you get it? Babe, I mean, one of my kidneys is damaged. The other is decaying. It's just a matter of time before both kidneys pack up.
No. Listen. I do not want to believe that that is your result. Okay? You will not die. You're going to be fine. Nothing is going to happen to you.
Babe, in as much as I appreciate your concern, I think it would be best if you forgive your husband and go back to him.
No, I am not going anywhere.
Except you want to become a widow at such a young age.
Listen, I am here. I am stuck with you. Okay? I am not going anywhere. You will not die. You're going to be fine, right? Nothing is going to happen to you. I need you to put your faith and trust in God. Okay, there is nothing God cannot do. Please, I do not want you to lose hope. I do not want you to give up. Everything is going to be fine, and I'm right here with you. Okay, because Jesus said it that by his stripes we are healed. He said we will not die, but we will live to declare the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. So nothing will happen to you. Alright? God will restore you. He will restore you, my love. And I'm right here. I need you to believe. I need you to have faith in God that everything will be fine. Alright? I love you so.
What do I do? I mean, there has to be a way around this. I have to figure a way around this myself. Honestly, there has to be a way out. Yes, Gregory. I need to summon him at once. I'm losing it. Honestly, I'm going crazy. I just want to feel a man's warmth. Anyhow, yes. I don't have a choice, do I? Is this even right? My gatekeeper? No. What am I even saying? I can't condescend so low to the level of an ordinary gate man. He's not my kind of man, never.
She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady.
Greg!
She'll never stop until she has
Gregory!
it. She's the boss
Yes,
lady.
madam.
Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire. So beware of
Madam.
beautiful women.
I have been calling you Gregory.
Madam, my name na Gregory, not Gregory.
Whatever. Gregory?
Madam.
There is something I want you to do for me.
Madam, what you want make I do for you?
My feet. Massage my feet.
Ah. Madam, no. Madam, I get what I do for her side.
Gregory, I said, massage my feet. Can't you just help someone in need?
Madam.
She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way.
Madam,
Are you deaf?
Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire.
Go on. Two of them. I didn't say you should pinch me. I said massage my feet.
Okay, madam.
Oh, super nice. Oh. Come. Towards the side.
Ah, madam. Now your feet, you say make I
Bring
massage.
your hand towards this area. Be coming towards the side. Bring your hands towards this area.
Hey, madam. Hey, madam, what you say?
Bring your stinking hands towards this side, my friend. Massage. Come on, massage it gently. Ooh. Oh, my word. Your fingers are so soft. Has anyone told you that before?
Madam, I beg.
Go on. Just be coming. Be coming. Bring it closer. Closer. Oh gosh. Ah. It was my imagination. Hello, Chief.
Hello, honey. Where did you keep your phone?
I was in the bathroom, Chief.
Oh, well, information reaching me states that Leo hasn't been going to office since I traveled.
Are you kidding me?
The manager told me.
Wow. What could be his problem? But have you tried calling his line?
His number hasn't been going since morning.
My goodness. All right, let me try his line from my end. Let's see if I can get him online.
But please do. I want to make sure he's fine because this is quite unlike him. That young man is hardworking and doesn't joke with his work.
So what do you suggest we do now?
Alright, I want you to go check up on him for me, please.
No! I told you, Chief, I can't leave my business now. It's not possible. Who will take care of my business for me?
That young man works for us. Did I remind you he's my personal assistant? I want to be sure everything is okay with him and his wife.
Alright, fine. I will check up on him when I'm less busy.
Okay, thank you. I sincerely do appreciate it. Please update me as quickly as possible.
Alright, Chief.
Bye. Love you.
Leo, I can't wait to see you, Leo. Gregory!
Ah, madam, good morning.
Are you still washing the car?
Yes, madam. Madam, now the cars when the compound, now they wash this morning.
All the whole cars. Now here they wash since morning. As if there are 30 cars here. Lazy idiot. You should be ashamed of yourself. All you know how to do in this house is eat, snore. That's it. Rubbish. Get out!
Sorry, madam.
The very moment Quincy, my wife, left me, she left with my life. I'm nothing. I'm useless. I'm just going to take my life once and for all.
Stop it, Leo. Come on. What are you trying to do? Give it.
For me. Just let me die.
What are you trying to do?
You Queen of Sheba, what have you not done to me? You have rendered my life useless. You have ruined my own life. No love, no wife, no child. What am I living for exactly?
Where is Quincy? Why are you saying no wife?
She left me. Quincy left me for her ex-boyfriend.
Ex-boyfriend? Oh, which means she was cheating on you as well. Under your nose, she was having an affair with her ex. And you were also cheating on her, right under her nose. All of us are sinners. Come. She is not worth dying for. I know what you want. I'm gonna make you happy. Turn around. He's already there. Let's go. You don't need to die. Come. I'll make you happy. Gosh, that was hot.
You're always doing this to me all the time.
Don't you like it? Tell me you didn't enjoy it.
Every bit of it.
I know. Look at the way I'm sweating. That was really hot.
Sweet.
And you wanted to take your life for what? For a cheating wife. Leo?
Yes, baby.
I have good news.
Good news, what's that?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? For who?
For you.
Are you serious? So
Of
I'm
course.
going to be a father.
Of course. You're happy. I'm glad you're happy.
I should be.
I was scared.
You're having my baby.
Well, here's what we're going to do.
Okay.
You know, as a married woman, I will just shift it to my husband. I'll claim he's a father.
No. I will not accept that. I'm a full-grown man and I will not let another man
father my own blood.
No, listen. You shouldn't bother yourself about a thing. My husband is already old. Very close to his grave. When he dies, what's there? You can come take your child. But for now, please. So he will not find out. Please. I love you, Leo.
And I love you more. Thank you.
Leo, I have outsmarted him, of course. I'm certain what he planted in here is a baby boy. And after this, I'm gonna have another one. Of course. I want to have 4 solid boys for my husband. 1 isn't enough. Leo. You're indeed a small boy. Hello, baby girl.
Hello, baby. Where are you?
I'm at home.
Okay, I'm on my way to my house. Your house.
You are on your way to my house. Listen, I can't wait to see you. Please, hurry. I have a gist for you. Okay. Don't waste time. My nigga, you love gossip.
How can I allow another man play father figure to my blood? I couldn't get my wife pregnant, but here I am with the news of me impregnating my sugar mommy, staring me to my face. Leo, shame on you. Whoa. You left your own wife and you are sheeplessly sleeping with a woman old enough to be your mother. Now Quincy has run back to her ex who came back from America, maid. I will never forgive myself for losing Quincy.
Baby, a while ago you were trying to say something. You say about your sugar boy.
I was about telling you that his wife, Quincy, left him. And I have him all to myself.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. You should know I'm too possessive.
Wow. Hey, baby, la
Come on. Praise me.
beautiful baby.
Come here, beautiful.
Why, oh, why you do? Ageless go there.
Where's that one coming from? Which means I deserve it.
You deserve it.
Beautiful.
So means Quincy left her handsome boy with the sauce for you?
The funniest part of it is she's not even aware I'm the one in the big picture. Now, it's time to salaciously devour Leo. Girl, did I tell you that I'm pregnant?
What? Obago.
Obago. Hey?
I hope you haven't told me about it.
No.
Are you sure?
I haven't.
You.
Yeah, take your drink, please.
You have to care about it. This is call for celebration, please.
Yes, you are right.
Leonard, I'm reliably informed that you've not been coming to office most frequently. Could you tell me the reason for absenting yourself for duties?
Chief, I've not been in my right frame of mind. I've been going through trauma Lately.
I thought you told me that the domestic accident your wife had wasn't that serious.
Chief, I lost my wife.
What? Quincy is passed?
I didn't mean she's dead. She left me.
Quincy left you? How?
Chief, a long story.
Okay, please sit down and tell me all of it. I want to hear all of it. Sit down. Leo, what transpired?
Jesus.
You know, I am like your father, Leonard. I want to know what happened, why you broke up with your wife.
Chief, her ex came back from abroad with a lot of money. She left me for him.
Not Quincy. Quincy cannot do that.
Chief, you don't know women. Women and money is like body and soul.
Not Quincy. Quincy is your wife, but I know her better than you think you know her.
Chief, how come you know her that much more than I do?
You will not understand.
I might, only if you tell me. Have you dated her in the past?
No. She once served here in this establishment.
Girlfriend. Wow, I can see you're really enjoying your late husband's wealth with your sugar bar.
Why not, if not? For men, they won't mourn us. They will remarry.
I know.
I can't remarry because of my children. I am still a beautiful and attractive woman. You can see, no cap.
I know. Girlfriend, let's enjoy ourselves.
Imagine, a man that could not even last in bed wanted to go and take his second wife.
Wow. At times I begin to imagine, what do men want? I mean, what do they really want? Who knows, my husband might be cheating on me, never can tell.
That gender.
Guess what? He might be, I'm not saying for sure, he might be cheating on me with a girl old enough to be our daughter. Which is why I'm doing what I'm doing now. I'm not regretting anything.
If Festus could desire Quincy as a second wife, what can men not do? That's the reason I have to take my pound of flesh. That girl will suffer.
She has suffered enough. Can't you see it? Funny enough, she left her marriage. I mean, it's crazy. The same husband that couldn't get her pregnant for 2 solid years.
Imagine.
Got me pregnant.
Oh, my friend.
What?
You're my friend indeed. I really love you. With all my heart.
I love you right back. Relax. We are in this revenge together. Yes. I promise.
Thank you, my friend.
Quincy is beautiful and intelligent. My late friend confided in me that he needed a beautiful, intelligent, and powerful woman such as Quincy to help run his company.
Chief, this friend of yours, do I know him?
I know. You don't know him in person. He's passed now. But his wife, Monica, is my wife's best friend.
Was she aware of the man's intention to make Quincy his wife number 2?
Absolutely. I think something like that. Women have this way of, being nosy. She got to know, but then, of a truth, you are the wife of Quincy. What truly happened?
Chief, exactly what I told you.
Will you be the sharing of Oliver?
Chief. Yes. How did you know him? How come you know him?
I don't know him in person, but he was the reason she refused my late friend, the general manager, and several others.
The manager, Mr. Alfred, wanted her too?
On the affirmative. You are surprised, right? Well, from what I've gathered here, she has a fiancé who lived abroad. Well, the only thing I can tell you is that Quincy was my favorite star, though a couple of them. Still, I'm wondering why you could leave that angelic, inhuman slip of your palms.
She's a boss lady. Her body's on fire. So beware of beautiful women like this, oh. Cause when they catch you, you cannot escape. She will give you money, and she will take your soul. She will take your soul. And one day when you look back, you will see you've lost yourself. She is beautiful. Any man will fall for her. She is powerful. She be tempted.
They were welcome this morning already. You're in bed. Wake up this morning. You're still in bed when the whole world is alive.
Good morning.
Good morning, honey.
Where have you been?
Oh, I've been in my study room working.
Working?
Yes.
Come on. You shouldn't be doing that to yourself. You need rest. Considering your age, you don't need all that.
Come on.
Come on, sweetheart. You have a manager. Why don't you hand him over some things while you relax?
You have been deceived with this white bear, right? I'm still young, fresh and green, very active. Or have you forgotten how I got jiggy with on you the other night?
Look at you. I'm still wondering where you got that strength from.
You sparked the flame, right? You touched me where you never touched me otherwise, so I have to give it to you. Fire.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Honestly, honey, on a serious note, you should take a chill pill, relax a bit. You don't have to overwork yourself, okay? I don't want to lose you. I don't want to become a widow. I know how it is for my friend. Is a widow. She's not finding it funny. So we want such to happen. So calm down.
Excuse me, what is it? Are you okay?
Yeah. I feel nausea.
Nausea? Oh, does it have to do with
gosh.
illness?
No. I feel I'm pregnant.
Excuse me. Like seriously? You're pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, relax. Wow! I mean, you need to see the family doctor for proper checkup. I think my second son is in the way. Oh, come on, you have given me the brightest news for the whole day. My day is better. This news is what, granting you a trip to maybe whatever you want to do. Maybe this is what I want to hear.
Babe? Babe, the food is ready.
I don't want any food. I mean, what's the food for when it's crystal clear that I'm dying?
The earlier you remove the thought of death from your mind, the better.
Quincy, the fact still remains that my kidneys are packing up. I can't bring myself to bear that.
You will not die, God forbid. Stop sulking.
No, Ethan, I don't want any food.
What is this now?
Quincy, what's the food for? What's the use for all this wealth? When it's crystal clear that I won't even be here. See, Quincy, the reason why I am acquiring all this wealth and buying everything in your name is because I want you to have a better life even when I'm no longer here.
Nothing will happen to you. You're going to stay alive for me. I need you to believe that the doctor's report is not God's report for you. Honey, I need you to anchor your faith in God. Trust Him to come true for you.
I'm trying, but trust me, that's not been easy.
I know, okay? I need you to, let's put our faith together. Let's believe God, that God will come through for us. All this is going to pass. It will.
I hope so.
Everything will be alright.
I seriously do not get it. You mean Oliver is dying?
Sis, I cannot come to terms with the fact that I am going to lose him.
God forbid. How is this even possible? That orphan boy that suffered hunger and starvation in campus is dying. No. This is not true.
But that's the situation of things now.
That guy practically saw himself through school. I can't believe he did all manner of jobs, including working on a building site just to pay his fees.
No, I mean, you told me all of this.
Oliver doesn't deserve this. My friend Oliver doesn't deserve what he's going through. If I have my way, I don't mind donating one of my kidney to him just for him to live. Just that my husband will not even hear me say it.
Wait, you're willing to donate one of your kidneys?
He needs just one to live. My dear sister, Oliver is your husband to be, right?
Yes.
You love him and doesn't want to lose him, right?
Of course I love him. Of course I love him. I do not want to lose him.
He once told me that he can take a bullet for you. Quincy, Oliver has done nothing but love you. He has acquired so much in your name. That is to prove his undying love for you. I think it's time to pay him back for his kind gesture. Time to test your love for him. Be his donor.
What?
Be his donor.
I can't. I mean, I can't live with one kidney. Sis, no. I can't do it. I can't. I can't watch him die. I can't. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Babe, are you okay?
What's happening?
this a goodbye kiss? My love, are you leaving me? Please don't. Even if you want to, I'd like you to be there when I breathe my last. Please.
You're not dying. You're not ever going to die. I am ready to be your donor.
What? Babe, are you being serious right now?
I cross my heart.
I hope you're not doing this under compulsion.
Hey, look at me. I love you. And I will always love you.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. I'm doing this for me. For us. Alright?
Thank you, Steve.
You're going to be here for me.
Go to your room now, okay?
To stay with Uncle.
Okay, if you must stay, then no questions. Alright? No questions.
So you have to go inside, alright? You have a lot of time to be with your uncle. Hmm? Oh,
alright.
You come with the file.
Chief, the file is right inside the car.
Right inside the car. Okay, let's go inside and have some cups of coffee and then we'll quickly go to office.
Okay, Chief.